Bombshell update tonight. A former Top City employee facing charges from a grand jury after a series of WDSU investigations.
Well, this all started from a traffic accident in a city SUV driven by Tyrell Morris, the former director of the city's 911 call center. WDSU reporter Jonah Gilmore live outside the Orleans Justice Center where Morris is expected to appear. Jonah.
Well, Gina Sulla, at some point, a warrant will be issued for Tyrell Morris, and he will have to turn himself in here at the Orleans Parish Jail. Now, I did speak with Morris earlier today on the phone, and he didn't have much to say. No reaction to the indictment at all?
He is speaking for me, so he's provided a response.
Just hours after being indicted by a grand jury, former Orleans Parish Communications District Director Tyrell Morris did not answer his door. But he did pick up the phone. I was calling to see if you had a comment about the indictment that was handed out today by the grand jury.
My attorney issued a statement already. You need to contact him, Brian Capitelli.
Thursday, Morris was indicted on multiple charges stemming from a car accident Morris was involved in and for actions he took following it.
To see this happen with the former director, and obviously these are situations that my office had flagged and actually, brought some of this information to light with WDSU.
In May of 2023, Morris was involved in a car accident while driving his government-issued SUV. The DA alleges Morris acted as a law enforcement officer when he isn't, and then, in the immediate aftermath, allegedly tampered with public records about the incident and his office's policy on car wrecks.
I personally saw the documents that had been altered. Like I said, it's incredibly disappointing.
Legal analyst Stavros Panagalopoulos says the fact that a grand jury was used to make the indictment shows the district attorney's office was trying to remain impartial.
In order to appear unbiased, you present the material to the grand jury and let the grand jury make the decision ultimately.
He says the consequences for these alleged crimes can lead to several years in jail if convicted.
Malfeasance in office can be up to 5 years in some cases. So, false reporting or impersonating a police officer can be anywhere between some months to years in jail in specific cases.
Again, there's no word on when Morris will turn himself in. We'll be sure to bring you that news when it happens. We're live in New Orleans. Jonah Gilmore, WDSU News.